How's it going?
Assalamu alaikum. This is Jawaria Wali from Rehan School Teachers Training Institute, and today topic is the power of network building meaningful connection. Let's welcome ChatGPT to have. Thank you
Meaningful connections.
so much for joining us today.
Happy to be go on. Tell me what.
Start our conversation with ChatGPT. My first question is the power of networking. About the power of networking and building meaningful connections is what does networking mean and why is it important?
Is the intent for open doors that skills alone sometimes can't. Good networks also give you diverse perspectives, which helps you to solve problems more creatively.
Okay, how can networking help someone achieve their career goals?
It can connect you with mentors who guide your decisions, peers who share job leads or collaborate on projects, and people who might vouch for you when opportunities come up. It's less about collecting contacts and more about nurturing genuine connections that can grow over time.
Okay, what is the difference between networking and simply meeting new people?
Just meeting people is casual connection, maybe at an event or online. Networking goes further. You follow up, exchange value, and build trust. It's purposeful, not just social.
Absolutely, you are right. So, why are meaningful connections more valuable than living many contacts?
Meaningful connections bring trust, mutual support, and real understanding. People who actually care if you succeed. Lots of contexts might mean reach, but it's those few genuine relationships that offer depth. A real friend or mentor will advocate for you, not just recognize your name. That's leverage you can rely on, not just numbers.
Okay, how can a shy or introverted person become better at networking?
Come on. And people have to be flashy, just consistent and authentic. And over time, those small steps turn. Try something situational, like commenting on something you both see or experience. Ask a light, open question and sound curious, not salesy. If they engage, great. If not, that's fine. Be polite and move on.
Okay, so what do you think that what questions should I ask when meeting someone for the first time?
Ask things that invite stories, like what got you interested in this field or what's keeping you busy these days. Then listen, follow their lead, and share a bit about yourself too when it fits. Keep it natural, not scripted.
Okay. So, how can I make a good first impression when networking?
Be present, make eye contact, offer a simple greeting and a genuine smile. Have one or two conversational starters ready, keep it brief and curious. And most importantly, actually listen. People remember how you made them feel, more of that than what you said.
Okay, what questions should I ask when meeting someone for the first time? Thanks, you have already replied me this question. So, how can I build trust with new connections?
Be consistent, follow through on what you say, share something useful occasionally, and be honest about what you can and can't do. Reliability builds comfort. And when people see your actions match your words, that's when trust starts to take root.
So, what are some common networking mistakes people make?
Talking only about themselves, collecting contacts but never following up, making promises they can't keep, and only reaching out when they need something. Those kill trust fast. Be generous, be curious, and consistent instead.
Okay, as you are talking about be present, so how can social media help with professional networking?
It can if you use it with intention and care. Share insights, comment thoughtfully, and message people with specific reasons, not generic haze. Keep it human, keep it useful. That's where it really works.
Okay, if we talk about platforms, which social platforms are most useful for building professional connections?
Let me check. LinkedIn is usually the go to for professional networking. For certain fields, X, formerly Twitter, helps. If you're in tech, GitHub is solid. Academics use ResearchGate or Google Scholar. Creative pros use Behance or Triple. The key isn't the app, it's showing up with genuine engagement, not just collecting contacts.
Okay, as you are talking about LinkedIn, it's having trouble in Pakistan with registration and login issues. So, how often should I stay in touch with my professional contacts?
Let me check. Every 2 or 3 months is a good rhythm. Even just a short, thoughtful note. Congratulate them, share a useful link, or ask how a project went. Consistency matters, but sincerity matters more.
Okay, what are some natural ways to follow up after meeting someone?
Send a short message referencing something you talked about. Say it was nice meeting them and suggest a small next step, like grabbing coffee or sharing an article they might enjoy. Light, friendly, and not pushy.
Okay, so what are some how can networking help students and recent graduates?
It can expose them to internships, mentors, and entry level roles. Plus, practical advice about resumes, interviews, and industry expectations. Start by connecting with alumni, joining relevant groups, and asking curious, specific questions. Small steps that build momentum.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT, for covering my topic, the power of networking, building meaningful connections. You covered it very nicely, and inshallah, we will see you again with another topic on the same channel, The Wisdom Talks. Allah Hafiz.
Take care. I'll be here whenever you're ready.